Inside Schneider Electric's factories, manufacturing is built around a single guiding principle. Energy must be controlled intelligently, safely, and at scale. These facilities are not traditional production plants. They are live demonstrations of how digital energy systems are designed, assembled, and validated for a world that cannot tolerate instability. Schneider Electric does not manufacture isolated products. It manufactures energy ecosystems, systems that distribute, protect, measure, and optimize power across buildings, factories, data centers, and infrastructure. Every assembly decision reflects the reality that failure is not an option when electricity is the foundation of modern life. The manufacturing process begins long before physical assembly. Each product family, switchgear, circuit breakers, power distribution units, automation controllers, and smart sensors, exists first as a digital system. Electrical behavior, thermal loads, fault conditions, and life cycle performance are simulated together. These simulations define how factories are configured, how machines are calibrated, and how quality thresholds are enforced. Assembly is modular by design. Schneider Electric builds energy systems as interconnected blocks that can be scaled and configured for different environments. This allows factories to produce customized solutions without sacrificing reliability or efficiency. Production floors are organized into flexible cells rather than fixed lines. Each cell performs specialized tasks: mechanical assembly, electrical integration, calibration, or inspection, and can be reconfigured rapidly. Automation systems coordinate material flow so components arrive exactly when needed, reducing inventory while maintaining uninterrupted production. Mechanical assembly establishes structural integrity. Enclosures, frames, and mounting systems are assembled with strict dimensional control. Even small misalignments can affect heat dissipation or electrical clearance. Vision systems inspect geometry continuously, ensuring that tolerances remain within specification. Electrical integration follows with extreme discipline. Bus bars, wiring harnesses, terminals, and connectors are installed using automated torque tools that record every fastening event. Electrical paths are not just connected, they are measured, logged, and verified as part of the system's digital identity. Power components receive specialized handling. Circuit breakers, protection relays, and switchgear modules are assembled under controlled conditions to ensure insulation integrity and mechanical consistency. Materials are selected and assembled to withstand decades of operation under load. Smart electronics are integrated next. Sensors, controllers, communication modules, and edge devices are installed and initialized. These components transform passive electrical systems into intelligent ones, capable of monitoring, predicting, and optimizing energy use in real time. Human-machine collaboration is central. Robots handle repetitive and precision-critical tasks, while engineers supervise integration, manage exceptions, and validate complex assemblies. Schneider Electric's factories are designed for augmented manufacturing, where automation amplifies human expertise rather than replacing it. Digital work instructions guide every step. Assembly instructions adapt dynamically based on product configuration, component availability, and machine status. Errors are prevented through design rather than corrected later. Energy efficiency is embedded into the factory itself. Smart energy management systems monitor consumption across machines, lighting, and climate control. Factories operate as living laboratories, reflecting the efficiency principles Schneider Electric delivers to customers. Throughout assembly, data is collected continuously. Each product builds a digital passport containing component origins, assembly parameters, calibration values, and inspection results. This passport ensures traceability across the product's entire lifecycle. By the time a system reaches the end of assembly, it is not merely complete. It is fully characterized, mechanically, electrically, and digitally. The factory knows exactly how it was built and how it should perform. But energy systems earn trust only when they perform under stress. That proof begins in testing. If this inside look at how Schneider Electric assembles intelligent energy systems helped you understand the foundation of modern power infrastructure, make sure to like the video. Once assembly is complete, Schneider Electric's energy systems enter the phase where confidence is no longer assumed. It is proven. Inside Schneider Electric's validation facilities, testing is designed to expose failure modes before they ever reach the real world. This stage exists to answer a single question. Can this system be trusted when conditions are no longer ideal? Validation begins with functional verification. Each assembled unit, whether a circuit breaker, protection relay, power distribution panel, or intelligent controller, is connected to automated test benches that verify electrical continuity, signal accuracy, and control behavior. Inputs are injected with precision. Outputs are measured and compared against strict reference models. Deviations are logged instantly and traced back to specific assembly parameters. Electrical performance testing follows. Power systems are energized under controlled conditions while current flow, voltage stability, and switching behavior are monitored in real time. Protective devices are tested to ensure they respond correctly to overloads, short circuits, and fault conditions. These tests confirm that systems act decisively when abnormal conditions occur, not milliseconds too early and never too late. Thermal validation is critical. Energy systems generate heat, and unmanaged heat shortens lifespan. Schneider Electric subjects products to sustained load tests while monitoring temperature distribution across components. Thermal imaging reveals hotspots invisible to conventional sensors. Cooling paths, ventilation strategies, and material interfaces are validated under prolonged stress. Environmental testing pushes systems beyond factory conditions. Products are cycled through temperature extremes, from cold start scenarios to sustained high heat operation. Humidity chambers evaluate insulation integrity and corrosion resistance. Dust ingress testing confirms that systems remain reliable in industrial environments where contamination is unavoidable. Mechanical robustness is tested through vibration and shock simulations. Power equipment is mounted on multi-axis platforms that reproduce transport conditions and operational vibration profiles. These tests reveal micromovements, resonance effects, and mechanical fatigue risks that static inspection cannot detect. Software validation runs in parallel with hardware testing. Embedded firmware, protection algorithms, and energy optimization logic are exercised under thousands of simulated scenarios. Fault injection deliberately disrupts signals, sensors, and communication paths. Systems must isolate problems, maintain safe states, and recover automatically without cascading failure. Protection systems undergo especially rigorous validation. Trip curves for circuit breakers are verified against precise timing requirements. Safety interlocks and redundancy mechanisms are tested repeatedly. Schneider Electric treats protection behavior as a measurable system characteristic, not a theoretical specification. Interoperability testing ensures products function within diverse ecosystems. Energy systems are connected to third-party equipment, building management platforms, and industrial networks. Communication protocols are validated for latency, reliability, and fault tolerance. Products must integrate seamlessly into real infrastructures, not operate in isolation. Electromagnetic compatibility testing verifies resilience in electrically noisy environments. Systems are exposed to controlled interference to ensure they neither emit disruptive signals nor become unstable when exposed to them. Shielding, grounding, and filtering strategies are validated empirically. Certification is structured and traceable. Products are tested against international standards governing safety, performance, and environmental resilience. Compliance data is captured automatically and linked directly to each product's digital passport. This creates a verifiable chain of evidence that follows the product throughout its lifecycle. Quality validation is distributed rather than centralized. Automated quality gates exist at multiple stages, each enforcing defined criteria. If a deviation is detected, corrective action is initiated immediately, often before final testing. This prevents defects from propagating and reinforces consistency across production volumes. Burn-in testing extends validation over time. Systems operate continuously under realistic load conditions for extended durations. Subtle degradation patterns, thermal drift, contact wear, timing instability are identified long before they could affect customers. Reliability is proven statistically. not assumed. Cybersecurity validation is integrated into certification. Secure boot processes, encrypted communications, and access controls are tested against intrusion attempts. Energy systems are treated as critical infrastructure, and digital resilience is enforced before deployment. Human engineers remain central throughout validation. While automation accelerates testing, accountability remains human. Engineers review results, investigate anomalies, and refine thresholds. Transparency is enforced, especially where AI-driven decisions affect safety or reliability. Only when systems demonstrate stability across all validation layers are they approved for deployment. Yet controlled testing, no matter how advanced, cannot fully replicate the complexity of real-world energy environments. True validation continues after systems leave the factory and operate at scale. If you want to see how real-world data reshapes Schneider Electric's energy platforms, make sure to subscribe. When Schneider Electric's energy systems leave the factory, manufacturing does not stop. It moves into the phase that matters most, real-world operation. For Schneider Electric, deployment is not the end of the product lifecycle. It is the beginning of continuous learning. Every installed breaker, switchgear cabinet, controller, and energy management system becomes an active data source, feeding intelligence back into engineering, manufacturing, and validation. Once systems are commissioned in buildings, factories, data centers, and infrastructure, operational data begins flowing through secure channels. Load profiles, switching events, thermal behavior, fault occurrences, maintenance actions, and energy efficiency metrics are collected continuously. This data is not abstract. It reflects how energy systems behave under real stress, real variability, and real consequences. Digital twins evolve using this operational evidence. Models created during design and assembly are updated with real-world data, revealing where assumptions were accurate and where reality behaves differently. If certain load patterns accelerate component wear, design margins are adjusted. If environmental conditions influence installation performance, material strategies evolve. The factory learns directly from the field. Predictive analytics transform reliability. Instead of reacting to failures, Schneider Electric systems identify early indicators of degradation, subtle changes in temperature, switching response, contact resistance, or vibration. These signals allow operators to intervene before outages occur, while enabling engineers to refine future products proactively. Software becomes a living layer of the system. Protection algorithms, energy optimization logic, monitoring capabilities, and cybersecurity features are updated continuously. Many improvements are delivered after installation, extending system lifespan and improving performance without hardware replacement. Energy infrastructure becomes adaptable rather than static. Large-scale deployments provide the most valuable insight. Data centers operating at constant load, industrial plants with dynamic demand, and smart buildings with fluctuating occupancy expose edge cases that laboratories cannot fully reproduce. These environments shape the next generation of Schneider Electric designs. Manufacturing responds to this feedback. Assembly tolerances are refined. Test protocols evolve to reflect real operating conditions rather than theoretical extremes. Component sourcing strategies adapt to improve longevity and resilience. Factories become adaptive systems, continuously recalibrated by operational reality. Global scale amplifies learning. Schneider Electric systems operate across continents, climates, and regulatory environments. Patterns emerge that isolated deployments could never reveal. This scale allows systemic risks to be identified early and mitigated globally before they escalate. Security evolves alongside capability. As energy systems become more connected, cybersecurity threats evolve. Firmware integrity mechanisms, access controls, and anomaly detection systems are updated using real-world threat intelligence. Energy infrastructure remains resilient long after installation. Sustainability becomes measurable rather than aspirational. Real energy usage data informs efficiency targets. Lifecycle analytics guide material selection, modular design, and recyclability. Products are engineered not only for performance, but for reduced environmental impact across decades of operation. Human expertise remains central. While AI systems analyze patterns at scale, engineers interpret results, validate conclusions, and make design decisions. Transparency and accountability are enforced, especially where automated decisions affect safety or reliability. Future Schneider Electric factories are designed around this closed-loop architecture. Design, assembly, testing, deployment, and optimization form a single continuous system. Simulation accuracy improves as real-world data refines assumptions. Manufacturing becomes smarter with every generation. Innovation becomes cumulative. No product exists in isolation. Every deployed system contributes intelligence that shapes future architectures, factory processes, and engineering standards. Progress is driven by evidence, not speculation. In this model, energy manufacturing is not a linear process. It is a living system that learns continuously. From factory floors to global power infrastructure, Schneider Electric's approach reflects a deeper principle. Trust in energy systems is earned through systems that prove themselves over time. If this inside look at how Schneider Electric builds intelligent energy systems changed how you see the infrastructure behind modern life, leave a comment with your thoughts.